How to turn off Facebook likes and comments. So if you want to turn off your Facebook likes and comments, then first open up your Facebook application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that three bar icon. Go for your profile, simply scroll down and choose a photo or a video that you would like to turn off your likes and comments. So for example, I'll be choosing this post. Go for the upper right corner of that post which has that three dots icon, and here you will have an option of who can comment on your post. So let me tell you one thing, that we don't have an option of hiding likes, or we don't have an option of turning off the likes on your Facebook post, because Facebook doesn't have that option. But you can have an option of turning off your comments on your Facebook. So what you can do is simply tap on that option which says who can comment on your post, and from here you can choose this profiles and pages you mention, so that no one can comment on your video or your photo except the page you mentioned. So don't mention any pages or don't mention any profiles, so that no one can comment on your photo or video. And after that, tap on done and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.